Hello students and welcome to your English language class. Today in this class we will be doing interjections. Now what are interjections? Interjections are nothing but your exclamatory words. Okay, so these are the words or phrases with no particular grammatical relation to a sentence. So they are not actually related to the sentence. They are written separately with an exclamation mark at the beginning of the sentence, and they are often used to express the writer's emotion or the speaker's emotion, okay, his feelings or his attitude. Like for example, in this picture you have the examples of interjections: ah, aha, oh, bravo, you, hey, oops, wow, hi, well. Okay, so these are some examples of interjections. Now, so interjections are short utterances that are spoken when a person is very surprised, happy, or upset. So basically, these words are used to express the writer or speaker's emotions or his feelings. Like, for example, feeling of surprise, or if he is in a happy mood, or whether he is a little upset. Interjections are not always whole sentences. Sometimes they are more like a noise than a word. ठीक है, सो हम इनको रीड भी वैसे ही करते हैं या बोलते भी वैसे ही हैं जैसे हम उन्हें लिखते हैं. वी जस्ट say it according to the spelling. Okay, so these are just like we are making some kind of a noise. Like you can say few. Okay, huh, wow, okay, so these are just like we are making some kind of a noise when we are surprised, or when we are shocked, or when we are disgusted, or when we are amazed or relieved. Okay, so they are more kind of a noise than a word. Like for example, you have for disgust. Okay, when you see something disgusting or not very pleasing to see, then you say so it just comes out of your mouth. It okay, without even thinking, you just utter these words: wow for amazement, phew for relief, and huh for surprise. So likewise, you have alas to express sorrow, grief, or pain; ah to express sorrow, grief; bravo to express appreciation, support, and encouragement; goodbye as a farewell greeting; hello as a general or introductory greeting; hooray to express jubilant mood, celebration, and joy; oh no to express disappointment; my to express surprise; and hush to tell someone to keep quiet or shh. Okay, and oh to express surprise or sadness; ouch to express physical pain; and wow to express admiration or appreciation. So here's one exercise for you. Fill in the blanks with suitable interjections selected from the words in the brackets. So first one is dash, we won the match. So what shall come here? Yes, hooray or hurrah. Okay, so you'll just write hurrah or hooray, we won the match. Second is dash, there is a monkey in my bedroom. So look, there is a monkey in my bedroom. And third is, are you calling from the doctor's office? So hello, are you calling from the doctor's office? Fourth is, you won the poetry competition. So bravo, you won the poetry competition. And fifth is dash, the door is locked. Oh, the door is locked. So feeling of disappointment. Sixth is dash, your mother is making biryani. Wow. Okay, wow, your mother is making biryani. Seventh is dash, silence in the library. So hush. Okay, hush, silence in the library. Eighth is dash, you look beautiful in that dress. So wow, you look beautiful in that dress. And ninth is dash, the horrible movie is finally over. So phew, the horrible movie is finally over. And 10th is that is a nasty cut on your knee. So dear me, that's more kind of a sympathy you have towards someone. So dear me, that is a nasty cut on your knee. And the next question is, the interjections in these sentences have got mixed up. Correct them and rewrite the sentences in your notebook. Okay, so let us do these sentences. First is Achu, the baby is asleep. So it is wrong. What shall come here? Hush, hush, the baby is asleep. Second is we have won the tournament. So this is also incorrect. We'll write hooray, we have won the tournament. Third is ouch, we have a holiday tomorrow. So in place of ouch you will write yippee. Okay, yippee. So that's a feeling of excitement or jubilance, you can say. So we have a holiday tomorrow. Yippee, we have a holiday tomorrow. Fourth is hey, the man sneezed. So in place of hey you will write achu. Okay, so achu, the man sneezed. That's the kind of sound you make whenever you sneeze, right? And fifth is hush, you have received a promotion. So in place of hush you will write congratulations. So congratulations, you have received a promotion. And sixth is hooray, what a giant spider. No, you will write UGH. Okay, what a giant spider. So that's a feeling of disgust. Okay, nobody likes watching a spider. Seventh is zippy, you stepped on my toes. So you'll write ouch, you stepped on my toes, just to show the physical pain. You write ouch. Eighth is oops, the great poet passed away. So in place of oops we'll write alas. Okay. The news of demise of someone, we'll write alas. So whenever someone passes away we always say alas. Okay, so alas, the great poet passed away. Ninth is wow, I heard something. So in place of wow we'll write shh. Okay, SHH. 10th is shh, you left me behind. So in place of shh you will write hey, 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 you left me behind. 11th is what a great idea. So in place of we'll write wow, what a great idea. And 12th is wow, I broke the vase. So we'll write oops, I broke the vase. And 13 is alas, I have solved the sum first. So we'll write wow, I have solved the sum first. And 14th is congratulations, this carrot soup is the best I have ever tasted. So in place of congratulations we'll write so triple M. Okay, so that is the kind of sound we make whenever we find something delicious or tasty to eat, right? So you'll write this carrot soup is the best I have ever tasted. Okay, and the next question is, you meet one of your school friends after a gap of 10 years. Your friend had moved to another town and has recently moved back. What are the things you will discuss? Write the dialogues you would exchange. You can use interjections like hi, hello, wow, congratulations, hooray, well, etc. in your dialogues. Okay, so this is your assignment. You have to do this, and you also have to do the rest of the exercises in your grammar notebook and submit your homework by 3 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.